Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Tomorrow we wish to dine on those beautiful grilled harissa wings. So today we have a little bit of prep to do. First thing I'm going to do is take a family pack of wings. Now, I'll tell you what, when you're grilling wings, this is the easiest way to do it with the drummy and the flat attached to each other. It's half of the flips that you need to make. It's half of the movements you need to make to put them on the grill and take them off. However, the director does not like to separate them after they've been cooked. Therefore, we separate them now.
Good plan, Oz.
So, using my badass Dow Strong, the Obliterator cleaver, we will get them separated. We'll hack off that wingtip. We'll set that aside. And then we will separate the flat and the drummy. There we go. So I'll get through this package and then we'll be back to make that harissa marinade. We'll see you then. The wings are all separated in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Now we'll get to making the marinade. This marinade has 9 ingredients. And I'm not going to say amounts, but worry not, loyal viewers. You will find a link down below in the description section. It'll take you right to galleyofthesun.com and you'll see the full recipe there. All right, so let's make this happen. Harissa. Harissa is a chili paste that comes from Africa, mainly Tunisia. Fantastic stuff. It is a little bit spicy. I made sure I got a medium level here. You can get mild ones too, but a little bit of fire never hurt anybody. So we shall add that to a bowl. To that we shall add some olive oil, a little bit of ground cumin, salt and pepper, smoked paprika, ground coriander, a finely diced red onion, and the juice of 2 lemons. These happen to be grown right here at the Oasis, the global headquarters of the Galley of the Sun. We shall mix all of that together. Ooh, and I will tell you, it smells amazing. All right, important step. Typically, when there's a step like this, I screw up and forget it, but not this time. Oh, nay, nay. So we're going to reserve about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of this. We'll put these on the wings right before we're done with the grilling process. There, I'm happy with that. The remainder of the marinade goes in the plastic bag with the chicken. It's going to get chucked in the refrigerator overnight. So we will see you tomorrow when it's time to get these on the grill. See you then. The charcoal is lit. The grill is preheated. Next thing we need to do is get it lubed up because we don't want our food to stick and we want the cleanup to be easier. Our harissa wings have been marinating all night, so it's time to get them on the grill. Here is the plan. We're going to cook them for about 35 minutes. We're going to pull them off. Then we'll mix them with our reserved harissa sauce, put them back on for 10 minutes to allow that to tack up, and then get some judgment. So let's get them on. For a little bit of smoked flavor, I'm going to throw a chunk of applewood on there. Now the lid goes on with the vents full open. And what we now have is a 464-degree Fahrenheit air fryer with charcoal and smoke flavor. So those open vents are going to cause a hot spot right underneath them. So every 15 minutes, I'm going to rotate that around 1/3. So we'll see you again in 35 minutes when it's time to pull those wings off and get them sauced. See you then. Our wings have been cooking for 35 minutes. Now it's time to pull them and get them sauced. Again. Oh, they are looking pretty and smelling even better. In my bowl, I got the sauce. Wings go into the bowl. As I'm getting these sauced up, if you can't get enough of the Galley of the Sun, check out our Patreon page. Just like our prime patron, our first one, Aaron Owen. Thank you, Aaron. All right, we got them all mixed up with that fresh sauce. Let's get them back on for 10 minutes to tack up. Then we'll be back with judgment from the director. The harissa wings are done. It is time for judgment. Have you ever had harissa wings before?
No.
Ah. How'd we do?
Good flavor.
Yeah?
Maybe a tiny bit of heat. Not really.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a little surprised there isn't more heat because this was medium harissa sauce that I used.
I wouldn't consider it medium. I'd consider it mild.
Okay.
Very good though.
Yep, you get the smoke flavor too from the applewood.
Definitely.
Would you recommend this for a party?
Yes.
All right, there you go. It's great for dinner. It's great for party food. It's something different than those regular old
Buffalo wings.
buffalo wings with the Frank's Red Hot and the butter. All right. Hey, give this a try. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and bowling seas.